cut the damn camera off thinking I cut it on. Wow. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get right into this little mini thrift haul. Nothing too major because I didn't go thrifting for too long. I just stopped in the store. I had just stopped in to see what they had. And while I was there, I was picking up a lot of the sale colored items, which that day I believe was gray. So you'll see, I think I have about 3 or 4 items that are gray. So I was like, okay, I'm doing really good picking up the gray. Let me just keep right on going. And then literally right after I sat there, I was finding no more grays. But of course, I still bought some items. So I just figured since I did buy some items that I would go ahead and show you guys. Okay, it's not that I have an addiction or anything, so don't even try me. I just was like, let me show them because I did get some stuff, so why not share with them what I got, right, mommy? Right. So let me just show you guys exactly what I got. The first thing I got is this little belt, and this little belt is so cute. I felt like it's so it can be easily paired with anything. It's still nice and gold. It's not really crusty and rusty, so that's good. And it's super duper stretchy, so I felt like with some high-waisted jeans and this around the belt, or you know, with a dress that you try to belt, this belt will really good. It's just got this little clasp, so you can hook it up real easy and wear it, you know, to cinch you in with a dress, or just wear it over some jeans or some pants, you know, whatever you want to do. But I felt like this is a really cute little find. Sometimes you might find a gold belt, but then the gold belt is either too small or way too big, and you know, way too big you really don't want it, because then the chain is basically down to your damn ankle, looking stupid. So, and if it's too small, then you got it on the last damn hook around your waist, and it's just like, she really wanted that belt, huh? This one is perfect because it doesn't have a little chain, and you know, you just clip and you're done. And it's a perfect gold color. It's so cute. So I felt like, oh, this is it. This is definitely it. And this was $2, and it's not gray, it was white, so I didn't get anything off of that. Let me go ahead and take off these shoes because I'm actually wearing these shoes. Hey, mommy. So I got these little wood bottom heels, and these are so trendy right now because we're going back in time to the 90s, which is my favorite time because of course that's when your girl was born. So you know, the 90s is, and really people that was born in the 80s, like around my age, they still was raised in the 90s. So it's like 90s was lit. But anyway, we're going back to the 90s trends with the fashion, and y'all know wood bottom shoes was early 90s trend heavy. So you what, you don't like these? But I only paid $2.50 for them. I love you. Huh, here go your Pepsi. I'm almost done. So you can just like chill until I'm done. I'm almost done. Anyway, so yeah, this trend was way back in the day, 90s, early 2000. Like if I was just regular thrifting, I would not have picked these up because they're so dated. But since this style is coming back in, like they're not dated. They're actually really on trend and really in style. And these were gray, and they were only listed for $5. Gray, so $2.50. So that was, I couldn't leave these. Like, come on, $2.50. I don't give a damn if they fall apart tomorrow. Let's hope that they don't, because I'm trying to wear them again. But hold on, what you need from me? Here you go. There you go. Beautiful. Yeah. So yeah, I couldn't leave those. $2.50. I mean, like, you gotta come with me. Okay, so let me just show you guys. Oh, you know what? Let me just go ahead and show you guys these I was really looking for like a beige scarf or a gold scarf. Actually, this one kind of got some gold in it. I didn't realize that until now, but it's got a lot of other colors, so I don't know if it'll go with what I was trying to do. But I was really looking for a gold scarf to wear over my head like this, because I had just bought some gold shoes and I felt like the gold scarf would have been hitting, busting. So yeah, I got like a bunch of these scarves to do this with because I like to wear that. Y'all follow me on Instagram, EVEEJOE. Okay, follow me on Instagram because it's lit. EVEEJOE. Okay, so I got a whole bunch of scarves like this because I like to tie them around my hair when my hair is all fucked up and raggedy. I like to tie a scarf. Even sometimes when my hair is not messed up, I'll still wear a scarf because the scarf is just it just adds a little texture to your outfit. So if you just got on a simple little outfit like how I have on now, like you throw on this little scarf and now you're a princess. And it's like, yes, me, the princess. You're right, I am a princess. Actually, I might just put this back on my damn head because that was lit. Especially with this little houndstooth in the middle. Real cute. Actually, I for real might put that back on my head. But, so yeah. And then I got this one. This one is a little bit more granny-ish, but I can still make it work. You know, I just have to find, like, maybe I wouldn't do a peach outfit. Maybe I would pull the little colors through, like a sky blue, like the sky blue, baby blue, whatever color this is, or the forest green in there. You know, wear an outfit to pull that color out so it doesn't look real grandma-ish. And it doesn't look grandma-ish on my head, actually. So, yeah. So, I got three of those scarves. Now, let's move on to the things. I actually got this little shirt, but I'll show it to you on so you guys can actually see it. But this was one of my items that I picked up from this thrift trip. And it's just a Nike oversized shirt, and I really liked it because it was oversized. And it was Nike, and we all know the little crew neck hoodies, not hoodies, but crew neck sweaters and big shirts and jerseys. That's in too. So I picked this up because it was Nike, and this was actually gray too. So I got half off of this, and I think it was $6. So I paid $3 for it. So that was amazing, and it's really cute. I'm definitely going to be posting this on my Instagram today. I wasn't even trying to wear this, but I paired it with my Adidas pants that I just made. Either y'all seen that video already or you will see that video with my Adidas pants, and it looks so cute. And I actually had it on with those little $2.50 shoes, and it was so cute. I was like, oh, looks like I'm going to dinner or something. So yeah, it was a look, definitely a look. So yeah, I need to hurry up because it's getting dark outside. Wow, I just noticed, why you drop your toy? The next thing that I got is these little tags. They look like they're from Fashion Nova, but they're actually from a brand called Metropolitan. What the fuck is wrong with me? Metropolitan. Obviously, I can't read today. So, and these are just some ribbed, if you can see the ribs. These are just some ribbed tan. What you want, baby? I'm trying to talk over you, forgetting that it's no way to talk over you. Your hand's sweaty. So these are just some ribbed, long, tight leggings, and these is a size large. It's 92% nylon and 8% spandex. So this is a real, it holds you in really nicely. And I liked the tan color. You can wear them with this Nike crew neck. It will be really cute. Or, you know, with a blazer would be really cute. So, and those were $5. Those were not half off. And then the next two things I got two blazers. I got this blazer, which I was eyeing at my thrift store for so long. I remember I was eyeing like this one blazer for the longest. And I wanted to get it. It was green and it had black and white stripes on it. And I was like, damn, that's a lit ass blazer. It's actually a set. And I felt like the skirt was going to be too small. I got the set for $12 and I felt like that was expensive. Why? I don't know. But I did. And I didn't get it. So I said, okay, I'm going to come back when this is on sale. Like when it's half off day. Oh, and of course, the next time I went in there, hey, it was gone. Somebody picked it up and I was so goddamn distraught. Like, I should have just bought it that day. Because I really, really liked that set. And I didn't even have, I could have DIY'd the skirt if it didn't fit. Like, I should have just bought it. But I was being super duper cheap that day. So yeah, I paid for it. But anyways, I was eyeing this blazer as well, and this one stayed, so that was nice. So I got this blazer, and like I said, I was eyeing this for a while. It's really cute. Just the little plaid with the little blue and the little copper. I thought it was really cute, blazer. And of course it is in very trendy and very 90s and early 2000s vibe. Nice little blazer. So I mean, this was a nice buy, and it was gray, so I did pay half off for it, and it was $7. This thrift store, they like this Goodwill, they like to lift their blazers for $7, which is not expensive, don't get me wrong, but sometimes when you're not really trying to spend that much money, you just running in there and then you see a blazer for like $7 and you like, damn, I was thinking of spending like 15. That's already half of your budget right there just with one blazer. So I mean, if they listed their blazers for $5, I probably would feel better, but I'm like, what's $2? But anyway, so yeah, I paid not even $7 for this because this was half off. So $3.50 for it. And why are you looking at me like that? A really cute score. I really do like it. It fits really well. And it's a size 14. Now I got this blazer, this other blazer, and this one is, it doesn't say the size, but this one fits a little more oversized, and it's just that houndstooth. That's really cute too. Of course, y'all know that's really trendy and that's really in. And I got this blazer for half off as well. This blazer was half off of $7. Yeah, $7. So another $3.50 blazer, which I don't mind paying, like $3.50 for some clothing. Of course, I'll pay it. Don't start. You getting ready to start. That's okay because I'm done. So this was really cute on, and that's really trendy. So of course I had another successful thrift trip, and it was short. So I didn't get a lot, but I did get a good amount of things, a good amount of stuff. And I think for all of that stuff, I maybe spent like $20 or something like that. Maybe a little bit over $20, like $22, all of these things. So that was definitely a good trip in my book. So yeah, this is a real short one, not that long, but of course I got a lot of good stuff for you guys to see. This is some good quarantine content, so y'all could just YouTube and chill, get you a glass of wine, or do whatever it is that you like to do, drink whatever it is that you like to drink, and just chill and relax and let me get this content out. Today's date is the 18th. So as of right now, in South Florida, we're not quarantined, but you know, it's looking like we're going that route. And all domestic travel is still going. So, you know, just stay safe out there. Like me, I wear my gloves, like just doing the safety demo. Like I got my gloves on. It's like, and I'm like, don't touch me. Just don't touch me. What do you need? You don't gotta touch me. So yeah, you guys kind of just be the same way, even though you may not come in contact with a lot of people. Just try not let nobody cough on you, sneeze on you, touch you, basically, and be safe and stay clean and wash your hands. So that's all I gotta say for that. You guys be safe out there, and thanks for watching. Until the next one, peace. You did really good. You did really good. You be mommy YouTube buddy. You be mommy YouTube buddy. Yeah.